Good morning, students. Today, our next chapter, chapter 3, is human body. So, now start that that our body is a living machine. Our body, our body is a living machine and it has two types of organs. One is external organs and second one is internal organs. So there are two types of organs. One is external organs and second one is internal organs. Now, what is external organs? Now, the parts of our body that we can see from outside are called external organs. The parts of our body that we can see from outside are called external organs. So example is like head, arms, legs, eyes, ears, nose and tongue. This is the example of external organs. Next one. The part that are inside the body are called internal organs like brain, lungs, kidneys, stomach. These are the internal organs. Look at the picture. This is the picture of brain. What is the use? Brain helps us to think and work. Next picture is a heart. What is the work? Heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. Next picture is lungs. It helps us to breathe. Next picture is stomach. Stomach breaks down or digest the food that we eat. Next picture. Now we have five sense organs. What are they? Eyes, ears, tongue, skin and nose. These are the five sense organs. Now, what is the work of eyes? Eyes helps us to see. Eyes helps us to see. Next is ears. You know that ears help us to hear. Next is the tongue. Tongue helps us to taste. Skin. Skin helps us to feel. Next one is nose. Nose helps us to smell. Now, in this part, you saw that our body is made up of bones and muscles, and all the bones in the body join together to form a skeleton. All the bones in the body join together to form a skeleton. The place where two or more bones meet is called a joint. The place where two or more bones meet is called a joint. The skull covers and protects the brain and ribs primarily. Protect the heart and lungs. And bones give a shape and support to our body. Muscles helps our bones to move, and regular exercise makes our muscles strong. The correct posture helps us to stay healthy and to look smart. Now look at the picture. This picture is called skeleton. Here you saw that this is the neck joint, it is the elbow joint, wrist joint, knee joint, ankle joint. This is the, and it is the hip joint. This picture is called skeleton. And in this picture you saw the few good and bad postures. This is the bad posture and this is the good posture. This is the bad posture also, and this is the good posture. Sitting straight, and when we walk straight, when you stand straight, and this is the bad posture, that is when we walk, and this is the good posture. This is the good posture. When we walk, we need to walk straight. Now we start this practice question. First question: what is the correct posture of for reading? Option A, option B, option C, and D is all of these. This three is picture. Which posture? So correct option is A. This picture is the correct posture for reading. Next question. Select the option that will complete the word in the given statement. So our body has a framework work of bones called S-E-E-O and dash for support. Now option A is WDNL, option B OPLM, option C KLTN, and D is KLEN. Which option is correct? Option C, that is KLTN. Look at this. If we fill the blank, so SKELETON, skeleton. Next question. Select the incorrect statement for the following. Options are: there are more than 200 bones in our body. Option B, muscles helps us in movement. Option C, there are more than 600 muscles in our body. Option D is the place where two or more muscles join is called joint. So which option is incorrect? Option D, the place where two or more muscles join together is called joint. This is the incorrect. So what is the correct? The place where two or more bones join, not muscles. Next question. Next question. Refer to what Siddharth is saying. Picture name is Siddharth, and he said that I love singing raindrops on leaves. Now the question: which sense organ has he used for that? Option A is ear, option B is nose, option C is eyes, and D is tongue. Which option is correct? Option C, that is eyes, because we use our eyes to see different things. Next question. Mayank has difficulty in breathing. He most probably has some problem with his dash. So it is fill in the blanks. Option is lungs, option B is stomach, option C is liver, and D is kidney. Which option is correct? Option A, that is lungs. Next question. I am a soft organ inside your chest. If I stop working, other parts of your body will not get blood. Who am I? So option, here the picture. Here the kidney, it is the lungs, it is the heart, and option D is none of these. So which option is correct? Option C, that is if heart is stopped, the other parts in our body will not get blood. Next question. Dash is an active activity that helps us to develop strong muscles. Option A is rope skipping, B is painting, C is jogging, and D is both A and C. That is A and C. These two options. So which option is correct? Option D. That is both A and C. That is rope skipping and jogging. This is an activity that help us to develop strong muscles. Next question. In which of the following activities bones and muscles are being used the most? Here option A is walking, option B is sleeping, option C is reading, and D is wash your hand. So which option is correct? Option A, that is when we walk the most in this activity, our bones and muscles are being used the most. Next question. Unscramble the given names of the body parts and select the correct match of the body part with its function. So body parts, here is the body part function. So option A is lungs and function are enclosed heart. Option B body part are SIBR and function enclosed lungs. Option C KEEN body part and functions are enclosed leg. Option D NICH and enclosed brain. This is the function. So which option is correct? Option B, that is option A skull, B ribs, and C is knee, and D is chin. This is the things body parts. So option B is correct. Next question. Match the given intervals with their supposed test. Option here the picture A B C D, and here options are A salty, B sweet, C is sour, and D is bitter. Option B A is sweet, B is sour, C is salty, D is bitter. Option C A is sour, B is bitter, C is salty, and D is sweet. Option D A is bitter, B is sour, C is sweet, D is salty. So which option is correct? Option D. Next question. Muscles become strong if we dash fill in the blanks. Option A watch TV, option B read books, option C exercise and D is do painting. Option C when we do exercise our muscle become strong. Next question. Select the correct match of organ and its function. Option A lungs, that is pump blood to different parts of body. Option B stomach digests food. Option C skin helps us to taste, and D is heart helps us to breathe. So option B is correct, that is stomach is digests food. Next question. Match the column 1, this is the column 1 and column 2. Now here it is not an option. So A is muscles, B is skull, C is ribs, D is bones. And here in the column 2 One is protects brain, two is give safe and support to our body, three help the bones to move, and D is protect the heart. Now the option A1, this is B B4, C3, and D is 2. Here the option A B, this is the A B C D. Now which option is correct? Option D, that is A3, that is muscles that help the bones to move. B1, skull, it protects the brain. C4, ribs protect the heart. And D is 2, bones give shape and support to our body. Next question. Neetu ran into the kitchen from drawing room to switch off gas stove because rice kept on it as it was burning. Unscramble the given letter groups to select the sense organs that help her to know that rice was burning. Here the few options are unscramble, so you need to find which option is correct. Here it is this option is ears, this option is eyes, this is the nose, NOAC, and this is the skin. So which option is correct? Option C, that is nose. So we, because nose helps to take smell. Now here is the one box that is written that hot, cold, bitter, sweet, sour, and salty. And the question is, the above words are associated with which of the given sense organs? So in the circle here few pictures are drawn, that is A is eyes, E is eyes, F is nose, G is tongue, H is skin, and D is nose. Now options are, option A is D and G. D is nose and G is tongue. Option B, E and F is eyes, E and F. E is eyes and F is ears. Option C, G only G, that is tongue. And D is H, E, F. H is skin, H, E is eyes, and F ears. So which option is correct? Option C, that is G only. That means tongue. Next question. Aman is blindfolded and he is asked to differentiate some pairs to items. Which of the following pairs of items can be differentiated? A is a glass of orange juice and a glass of plain water. B is a spice of red and a spice of blue cloth. Option C, a round ball and a rectangular box. And D is an empty physics bank and a physics bank with some coins in it. So option A is A and D. A and D, this only. B is B and C. B and C only. And C is A, C and D. A, C and D, this only. And option D is A, D, C and D, all are. So which option is correct? Option C, that is A, C and D. A is a glass of orange juice and a glass of plain water. C is a round of ball and a rectangular box. And D is an empty pig bank and a physic bank with some coins in it. Next question. Read the given conversation among your four friends. Friends are Kunika, Pooja, Sneha, and Suhani. Kunika. What did Kunika tell? Pooja, your skin is so smooth. Pooja tells Kunika, I like the fragrance of your perfume. Sneha, please both of you stop making noise. And last one, Suhani. Sneha, come, I am watching an interesting movie. So question is, since used by dash will also help her in differentiating hot coffee and cold drink. So which option is, options are Sneha, B is Kunika, C is Suhani and Sneha, and D is Pooja and Sneha. So which option is correct? That is option B, Kunika. This option is correct. So next question. Which of the following will not be seen by the respective student? A. What is tell that is the soap satin or not? Option B. Is the watch ticking or not? Option C. Is the coffee sweet or not? D. Is the orchid purple or blue? So option C, that is, this student has his mouth tied, so he cannot taste the coffee to know if it is sweet or not. This option is correct. Next question. Refer the given follow chart and select the incorrect option. Here the chart is, the organ has bones along with muscles. If no, then is a sense organ. If yes, it is S, and if no, then it is R. And here the organ has bones along with muscle. If yes, is then is a sense organs. If yes, then it is Q, and if no, that is then P. So now the options are, Q can be the organ of hearing. Option B. P can be organ that helps us to write. Option C. S can be the organ that pumps blood in our body. And option D. R can be the organ for digestion. So which option? C, that is S can be the organ that pumps blood in our body. This option is correct because the organ has bones along with muscle. This is no, then is a sense organ, and it yes, that is S. So S can be organ that pumps blood in our body. Next question and last question is, refer the given word grid. This is the word grid. How many sense organs in X and internal organs Y are hidden in it? Okay. X, and this is the two, X and Y. And option 1, 4. B is 2 and Y is 2. C is 3 and Y is 2. And option D is X 2 and Y is 1. So option B is correct. That is X 2 and Y is 2. So I tell that in the given word grid, it contains two sense organs that are eyes and next that are eye and ear are two internal organs and heart and lungs. This is the two internal organs and another one is two sense organs. Here it is written that two sense organ X and internal organ Y. Here we mean this. So complete the today lesson, that is human. Next day start chapter 4.